Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining PCS Fusion Hub Oracle Fusion Financial Session. Okay. In the last session, we were discussing about the rapid implementation, and we have successfully completed the files loading into Fusion application. And then after we started checking the chart of account structure instance also we cross-checked, and then value set values also we have cross-checked. And so we are supposed to cross-check the primary ledger, and then after we have to provide the data access, and then we have to give the a journal into Fusion application. That is what the pending action. But unfortunately, the instance got down. So what we are supposed to do, we will load it one more time. This is the new instance which we got it. We will load that again in no time. I mean, we will not take much time because yesterday we already have the files, right? What we will do, we will load these files into Fusion application and we'll start it. We will kick start. That's it. Okay. And apart from that, how to install the ADFDA installer also in your system. Because why we need to do is if you install ADFDA, then only your macros and everything will start working. Otherwise, it won't work out. So most of the time, I'm just sharing my Excel sheet. 1 second. So what we are supposed to do is here in the files. So you open your existing like this book one Excel sheet, normal Excel sheet, go to your file, options, and add-ins. You can just check it, add-ins, trust centers like that we have. See, in add-ins, you have Oracle ADF desktop installer. Okay. For me, I have ADF installer is there. And to run the macros, you have to go to trust center and trust center settings. And here you can see macro settings. Okay. Now here it is disable all macros with notification. Means it will show me a notification. I can enable this one, enable like this. Enable all macros. Try this one. If it is not still not working, we will see one more time. This is the only major thing. Remaining things are normal. There is nothing much to discuss here. Okay. See, all are normal only. Prompt before. Okay. Macro setting is enable all macros. That's it. Apart from that, remaining all normal. You don't see any major changes here. Okay. So again, I'm repeating. If your macros are not working, go to your file. Okay. Options and trust center settings, enable all macros not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run. Okay, it's okay. You can click that one and click OK. Or else you can use this one, disable all macros except digital signals or disable all macros with notification. Even this is also works fine. With the notification also with fine. What will happen if there is any macro, it will show you a notification. Based on that notification, you can enable or disable it. It's all up to you. Like that also it will work out. Fine. Now I'm just canceling this. Now how to install your ADFD installer? I already given the user IDs and password details. What you're supposed to do is click here navigator, scroll down here in the tools. And this is the tools. In the tools, you can scroll down, download ADF desktop integrator. You have to install this one. Okay. See an Excel sheet. See this one, it will come. You need to install this icon. Let me show you. See, this is the one ADFD installer. Double click this one. So this will come up like this. Oracle ADF desktop install integration ADF installer. So this version install. So before running this installation, make sure in your desktop, so no Excel sheet should be available. See, here you can see none of the Excel sheets are open for me. Make sure none of the Excel sheets are open. Click here next and install. For me, it is getting repaired. Okay, if there is any damage or something is there, it will get repaired for me. For you, it will freshly get installed. Click on close. That's it. This will work out. Okay, now you can use your spreadsheets or any other activities. It will work out. Am I clear? Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine, guys. Yeah. Let me change the password for FinIMPL. Click here. Security console. Users. I'm just changing for FinIMPL user. Because I'm not able to log in with FinIMPL. Okay. Now log out from this user and log in with FinIMPL. I will share the details to you guys. So don't change the passwords. If you want to create new one, create the new one. Okay. Create the new one, whatever you want it, you do it. And a new user ID you can create, you can play it around, you can add the roles, you can delete the roles, whatever you want it, you play it around, whatever you want in this instance, especially. Okay. But don't change the passwords for our user IDs. Okay, setup and maintenance. Now, whatever the activities which we have done, it is lost. Let me cross check one more time. Manage. I don't think so. It will be there because last one is EQZZ. This is ESLL, right? So I don't think so. It will be there. So what I will do, I will load the files one more time. Okay. Percentage rapid percentage implementation. Today is Tuesday, right? One second. Sorry, today's Thursday. I definitely it should not be password should not changed, but I don't know who changed the passwords. It's okay. Upload chart of account. Yesterday, whatever the activity we have done. So rapid implementation we have loaded in 107 folder and 107 rapid implementation. Double click and click on chart of accounts. Click open. Submit. Okay. We are redoing this activity because of instances down. Okay. Let's get refresh. In between, any questions, guys? Anyone having any doubts, clarifications?
For login, we have the same link which yesterday sent. A different link we have now.
I already shared in the chat window, right? Check out
I
your
think
chat window.
not and
Again, I shared
not
the chat window.
not received.
In this chat window, in this Zoom chat window.
Achha, okay. Sorry. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Yesterday
sorry,
we
sorry.
uploaded the whatever we did the rapid files, na, sir. Again, we need to upload today.
Why we need to upload? Can you repeat? Can you tell me? You have to tell me.
Yesterday, due to some network issue or some, the
No,
files
not
are not
network.
uploaded.
Yesterday also we have uploaded the files and everything, but
Yes.
the instance got changed. See here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yesterday that is a different instance and today is a different instance. But still
Yes.
I can able to work on this instance immediately right now with the help of files what we have worked yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday I have created my templates. Okay. Now I
Okay.
have a different skin. Immediately I'm just inserting the templates and I'm making them ready. That's it. Okay. Making this instance ready. That's it. That is the reason I'm just uploaded the files into this instance. So that's what I'm telling you. This is the demos instance. Okay, you can see this is a demo instance. On the highlight, I'm highlighting, right? So in this demo instance, you can this will get cloned every week, and every week you can do the practice. That's what I'm saying. Every week you have to do in this way, in this manner. We have another instance that is licensed version instance that is called EJTP instance that I will give you on Monday or Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday, we're going to do the lab session. Again, we're going to do the lab session. In that lab session, most of the people will be in a normal practice manner and everything, right? So you will not commit any new mistakes in my dev instance, which is licensed version instance. Am I clear till here? I'm
Yes, sir.
making you ready not to
Yes,
make
yes.
any
Yes.
more mistakes in a dev instance. I'm making you ready. Okay. If you commit any mistakes in the dev instance, it will get corrupted. If it got corrupted, entire things will go for a toss. All our practices, everything will go for a toss. That is the reason dev instance will not be shared until unless candidate is ready to do the implementation project or some other activities. Okay. I hope it is clear.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
You're right.
Yeah.
We got it.
Okay. So now this instance, I release it to you, right? I just shared in the chat, in the chat window. You play it around. You do whatever you want. You create your own company name. You create your own chart of account. You go with the 10 segments, 20 segments, 30 segments, 40 segments. Now, whatever you want, you play it around. Nothing will stop us. But the dev instance will not be like that. It's very sensitive. Okay, fine. Okay, I think it will take time. Yeah. Any more questions? I already loaded the videos. Does anyone have any issues? I loaded all the videos. See,
No,
upload
so far I'm
enterprise
good. Yeah.
structure hierarchies. Fine, this is done. The file what we are supposed to load, upload enterprise structure and hierarchies, which is succeeded and completed, right? Click on done. Now again, upload ledger legal entity business unit. This is the second file. Choose file again. This is the financial cost. See, two Excel sheet, two zip folders are there. First zip folder I have loaded and second zip folder I'm loading. Click open and then submit. So within no time, just now I given the instance in front of you only, if in front of your team only, I just logged in and changed the passwords or you can create the user ID or something like that. I just logged in. Immediately my instance is ready. See, I will show you how it is ready. Okay. So I'm just closing this, duplicate this tab. Setup and maintenance. Let me open that Excel sheet also. Manage chart of account value sets. Someone started with Lenovo. I really told them not to use this 107. I don't know why people are using this one. It's okay, fine. People can use a different number here. It will corrupt me unnecessarily. Okay. Lenovo account, Lenovo company, something like that they have created. Okay, fine. Fine, no worries. So value sets, you can see structure. See USA Premier Ledger. So company department account, future one, future two, everything is ready. Now manage structure instance. This is ours. Okay, you can see these details. Fine. Now this is all good. Now it is good to go. Structure instance, everything is deployment is also done. So our program is running fast. See, our program is running great. Okay, see this one, completing accounting primary ledger definition, configuration and everything. So balance cubes are also running. So balance cubes are running means what is the activities has completed? Can anyone tell me so far what are the activities have completed in the application? If I could see a balance cube is running, what are the activities are completed in the application?
Currency, calendar, chart of account creation,
Mhm.
legal
Of course,
entity,
yeah.
Mm.
assigning even assigning values to the
Mm. Correct.
Value set manager and value set instance.
Assigning balancing segment values to
Value,
primary
value
ledger.
primary
primary.
ledger. Yeah.
Assigning balancing segment values to primary ledger, and then this is the one: complete setup ledger options, so creating legal entity, legal address, legal entity, and then assigning balancing segment values to legal entity, complete primary ledger definition. This is where your balance cubes will get generated. Okay. So till here, everything is perfect. That is the reason system is working accurately. Let's check from here, primary ledger and everything from our side. Okay, we will cross check again. What is whether legal entity? See, for your comfort only, I'm showing you. Okay, if you ask me to do the implementation, what I will do, I will upload these two files and I will just go for a coffee break and I will come back and I will start my work. Okay, like that. So for your comfort only, I'm showing you this one, primary ledger. So whether it is completed or not, I would like to show to you. That is the reason I just going back to these things because I can trust this application, right? So this is in running in progress. Balance cubes are running. Program is running, na? So that is the reason it is in progress. You can see 1067 USA primary ledger US chart of account, calendar, currency, cubes are also running. Specify ledger options also. You can see specify ledger options. Select here. So 107. Select and add 107. Okay. So you can copy this name and description also you can keep it American English retained earnings account. I did not touch it, but still it is getting updated. How it is getting updated? With the help of rapid implementation. In the rapid implementation in the rapid implementation also there is an option called financial category. With that help only these things are automatically populated. See 107 company we discussed 1, 2, 3 company details and then retained earnings. See all these accounts are available. There are so many accounts are there, right? Cash is there, cash clearing is there, hundreds of accounts are there. See, out of this, only retainings. Now, how does the system aware? Only retainings account should be come and sit there. See, so many accounts are there. So many accounts are there. Why only retainings accounts is coming and sitting here? Exactly. Can anyone?
I think according to the description, what we have provided is return earning. So that has under
Do you think that the
configuration.
system is having that much of intelligence to identify based upon the description it will capture and it will update?
Maybe some option is there uh, in that.
What could be
Natural
that
account.
option? That is the interview. That is interview question I'm asking. What
Natural
is that
account
option?
No, it's a
assign.
starting with three, na? It's starting with three one. So
Simple logic, bro. I am asking you return earnings account. How does my system is aware of this particular code?
Natural
For an
account.
example, cumulative translation adjustment account is there. For an example, cumulative translation adjustment account, I have to do if I want to give this account, what I'm supposed to do? I have to click here. I have to give here. Financials I have to give. And department I have to give like this I have to give, right? Without giving this, I will not get a code combination. So here I have to search cumulative translation adjustment like that you have to give. Contains and search. Cumulative translation adjustment I have to give like this. Okay, cumulative translation adjustment account. I have to select this. I have to select this. This is what I'm supposed to do, right? If I want to give a code combination. But how does the system is aware exactly it is going and sitting in the retaining segment and that is matching again? Why it is matching again like that? How does the system knows that?
In the
That is
template,
what my question is.
in the template file, it has got the
Hmm?
In the template file which we uploaded,
Hmm.
it has all the default settings.
Maybe due to the assignment of label.
I will tell you. Label is okay. Labels are like, it is whether it is an asset, liability, and everything, right? Like that, it is there, right? Control F, retain earnings account. Let me tell you.
Is
So
it
here,
because of
yeah,
the
I'm showing
natural
you.
account?
I'm showing you. I'm showing in the Excel sheet. Okay. So here, this is the retain earnings account. See, this is the retain earnings account. Okay. 31010. Okay. Go back to the Excel sheet. That one document. Yeah. This is your retain earnings account, right? It is matching, right? 31010. Okay. Go back to here. This is the retain earnings account. In this retain earnings account, labeling is there, right? In the labeling, it is identified as a retain earnings account type. In this account type, it is mentioned as a owner's equity and retainance account, and apart from that there is a financial category. This is the financial category details. Don't worry, I will discuss in detail about this financial category details. See here on the top you can see financial category. Okay, in this, because of this financial category and everything, you are able to see some of the code combinations will get defaulted automatically even though you are not updating. I updated this cumulative translation adjustment. I did not update a rounding account. Why I did not update it and how the system is aware of this one. See here, rounding account. See, cross currency rounding account, it is coming. So you can cross check these account numbers. See, copy this one, and go back to your Excel sheet. Okay. See, again, this is also having other operating expenses. So this is also having a financial categories. So on the top, you can see financial category. Because of this financial categories, there are certain code combination system can able to identify those areas and that will get updated automatically. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Am I
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This can be possible only with the help of rapid implementation. If you are using the rapid implementation, then only it is possible. If you are doing manual process, it is not possible. Even though if you are doing manual process and you try to go there. So let me show you here. Click on done. If you go to chart of account, manage, chart of account, values, set values, set values, go here, 107, go to 107, account, manage values, search here. What is the retained earnings account number? Copy this number. So value number, enter. See, retained earnings, they updated as a retained earnings account. And here also there is no type again like this. See, it is mentioned owner's equity only. But here they updated as a financial category. This is the financial category we were discussing about. So here they updated as a retaining account. That is the reason you are able to see the details automatically. System is taking the advantage and system is able to populate the things automatically here like this. There is the financial category. If you are planning to do manually, for an example, I would like to create another number. Let me see one. If we have one, now okay, number one is not there. Copy this one, click here, plus symbol, and create here. Okay, retained earnings account number one, like that. I'm just wantedly giving this one. If I give here owner's equity and if I give a financial category as a retained earnings account, this won't come automatically. If you are doing like this manual process and updating the financial category like this, the way which I'm doing like the 31011, if I do like this, it won't get automatically updated here. When it will get updated automatically here, this will come only with the help of rapid implementation only it is possible. Is it making sense, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Fine. Yeah. Let's see. Let's move on. Now we have cross-checked the retainings account and everything. Now we have cross-checked the primary ledger also. Legal entity also we can see. or else complete primary ledger definition we will see that is sufficient. Yeah. Review and submit accounting configuration. By seeing this one, you will get to know what is our primary ledger, legal entity, whether a balancing segment assigned or not, everything you can see. So here you can see this is our primary ledger, this is our New York legal entity, and this is our legal entity identifier number like registration number or something like that. Status is good and it is confirmed, and our balancing segment values. So in this primary ledger, we registered our company in New York, and that is our legal entity. In New York, we are doing three businesses, that is 01, 02, 03, three business lines which we are operating. 01 is financial services, 02 training or something else. All these three services are happening in New York location. Okay, am I clear? Now click on submit. If you want, you can click, otherwise you can leave it, because already submit also will be taken care by rapid implementation. Now within no time, I just got completed all my basic setups. Now what is my next step? What is my next step? So here everything is completed now. Review and completion document is there. I have to add user and run the LTAP job, open the period and create the journal and post. That's it, simple, right? Let's go and create user quickly. Click here, tools, security console, users, add user account, 107 IMPL user. Okay. I'm using the same password also. General accountant, and what are the roles required? General accountant, general accounting manager,
IT security console
IT security manager,
manager. Okay.
application implementation console.
Implementation consultant.
Perfect. Now what I'm supposed to do? Come on. What I'm supposed to do? Data access to the user.
Yeah,
Setup
data
and
access to the
maintenance.
user.
Manage data access for users. Okay.
Yes, sir. What is this data access exactly? Let's say in security context, you are doing data access sector.
See, we are having a role. 107 IMPL is a user. We are giving a role called general accountant, general accounting manager. It doesn't mean that if you have a general accounting manager, you can't operate all the primary ledgers. In
Yes.
this application, okay, one second. Let me see if it is saved or not. In this application, there are hundreds of primary ledger. Okay, out of hundreds of primary ledger, you can't operate all the primary ledgers in one shot. You are authorized to do the transactions in only the access whatever I am giving the process. Okay. Manage data access for users. Okay. So users without data access, users with data access. So this particular person is eligible to do the transactions only in this primary ledger. That is what the control I'm giving. Okay, fine. Click on the home button. Now, next step is you have to run the LDAP job. Even though you given the roles and access, it won't work out. How it will work out? You have to run a concurrent program. Go to tools, schedule process, and then run one concurrent program. Schedule new process. Okay, now it's time to log out and log in. Now I will not use anymore dot user 107 IMPL user. Got it? Now it's done. Let's see, click on home button and then you can go to general ledger, general accounting. First we have to open the period. Click on period close. Still data access it is not coming, means the program is running. Okay, still the program is running. It's okay, it will take some time because first time we are using in this application. Just you have to leave it for 5 minutes, automatically it will work out. Otherwise you have to change the browser. Certain times you have to change the browser, that also it will work. Let me log in with FinIMPL. I can't wait. I can't give the time, right? We can't wait, right? You can try it out. It will work out. No need to worry. You can go to general accounting and you can start opening the period and you can open the application. Let me try in another browser. Sometimes in another browser also it will work. If we can't wait, we can open in another browser. Let me log in. Instance. Okay. Now I'm just opening in Chrome. Oh, sorry, Mozilla Firefox. Just we can. I want to show you one transaction. So within no time, there is a new instance came up and immediately we have loaded. Immediately we created the user, added the roles and started working. That's it. Once you created the working, so that's it. All our activities are completed. So far, whatever we have discussed, all these things are completed in just 1 hour. That's it. Okay. Fine. Let me go back here. General accountant. Period close. Any questions, guys? No, still it is taking time. It will be completed soon. It will, the minute you get it, you will get period will be open and then do one transaction and complete that. That's it. Any questions? Do you want to try?
No, sir.
I have another 15 more minutes. If I try to start any new topic also, it would be completed. If you want to give a try, you can try. I will be here. Hierarchy and discussion process. This I will cover on Monday. Don't worry. The same thing about, or else I will just show you how does this works out. Hierarchy, you can see here. Whatever we have seen in the rapid implementation, the same thing you can see here. Financials, manage hierarchy. Manage account hierarchies. Click here, account hierarchies. See whatever is our tree, what is our tree structure? 107 account, right? This is the tree which we have created. So you can see on the top only it is coming. Expand this one. So here you can see two options. One is BL base and current. You can click on the current primary ledger base, and this is the current one. Update the nodes. Okay, click OK. What is the meaning of account hierarchy? Something like this. See total net, if you consolidate everything, this is like parent number 6. How many parents we can create using in the Fusion application?
9 parents.
9.
9 parents. We can go up to 9 parents, but this account level 107 account has gone up to only 6 parents. Okay, 6 levels. So net income, example, take about net income. Total my income is getting summary up to this level. How this
Yeah.
income is getting summary to here? Expand this one. You can see this one. It is total coming from revenues and expenses. Maybe this they just bifurcated. I think it should be removed. Fine, no problem. In revenue, what are the revenues? Okay, revenue minus expenses is equal to net income. They are perfect. Yeah, accurately they did. Fine. Total revenue. Which are the places I'm getting revenue? Expand this one. Total, I'm getting revenue from wine, cheese, wine rooms, tabletops, kitchen, catering, revenue adjustments, intercompany, and other income. So for an example, I'm just catering. Okay, attacking about catering. In catering, okay, this is one more parent. Again, 4 classifications of the catering also. How you are getting catering? Expand this one. You will get more details. Food service revenue, event planning. I'm doing 2 activities in catering. One is food serving and as well as event. These 2 revenues I'm clubbing to catering. Catering is clubbing to total revenue. Total revenue, again, they're bifurcating to net income. This is how your summary is going to top up. Okay, you can expand this one also. Wines also. Click on this wines. How many wines you are selling? You are selling white wine we are selling and red wine we are selling. White wine is generating some revenue and red wine is generating some revenue. That revenues again it is taking to wine and then to total revenue it is getting top up. This is the type of hierarchies we can build. Sir, I want to create one more hierarchy. Can we create it? Yes, no problem. We can create. Let me show you again in detail about expenses also. This is how revenue is getting generated. Expenses. Expenses also can see total cost of goods sold. Expand it. We might be incurring freight variances, discounts we have given. Okay, conversion rate variances, goods sold, cost of goods sold means what is the product price which we purchased for. Okay, that is what it is coming here. Cost of goods sold. Okay, what is the price we are selling? All these things which we can able to track it in the expenses. Okay, operating expenses. So total my operating expenses, I'm paying for employees, facilities, communication, travel, depreciation, all these things comes under my operating expenses. Okay, for an example, if you again depreciation, assets, your total amortization, total depreciation again, how many assets you have? Like buildings, furniture, loose furniture, tables, vehicles, all these things comes under depreciation. So these are all getting sum up to depreciation, total depreciation. These again two clubbing into depreciation. These are all coming again to operating expenses like that. This is a top up it is happening. So net manager or the CEO of the company will see he doesn't bother about it. The CEO or the top level management, he don't bother about operation expenses. Means they will have an idea. They will have an idea. They will keep an eye also, no problem at all. But they will concentrate on the net income, right? Based on the net income, they will decide whether this business has to run or this business has to shut down, right? So throughout a year, they will consider what is the expenses we spent, what is the revenue are we getting. If the expenses and revenues are meeting net to net, it's okay. We can run the show. If expenses are high and the revenue is not coming, then what they can do? They have to shut down, not work out. It won't work out, right? They can't bear for more months, right? Like that. They will take a quick decision on. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Now, if you want to create your own, for an example, in one revenue is there, this one, I want to move this to not here. This white revenue is here. I don't want to be here in this particular group. I want this to be on the top of this particular group. Yes, you can change that. See? Now see, your hierarchy got disturbed. I changed the hierarchy. See, I changed this white one revenue should be part of this one. But I just moved this hierarchy. Again, if I want to make this move ahead, I can move ahead also. It's a parent node. Okay, we are already having a parent node now. So that is the reason it is not working. Yes, let me put it here. See, these two are completely, I moved out from the hierarchy. This type of hierarchy also you can do that. What I mean to say that you can create your own hierarchy also. This is a sample one, which is by default it is there, like parent 1, parent 2, parent 3, like that we designed in the rapid implementation sheet. This is the sheet, right? In this sheet we designed. This is what we designed here. You don't need to worry at all. This designing and everything will be given by the client. Client only will tell you, I want this to be summary up. I want this to be summary up. I want this to be summary up. This is completely high level. No need to worry at this stage. That will be taken care by seniors or top level management will take a decision on this hierarchies and everything. But if they give you an opportunity to work on this, you can just upload this using this Excel sheets. Ask them to update this as per the Excel sheet. Explain this Excel sheet. This is the child value. This is the summary. This is how it will get hierarchy. Something like that. If you explain them, they will design and they will give it to you. Okay. You can design which parent you want to do it and everything like that. Okay. Am I clear, guys? Is it making sense?
Yes.
Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Fine, right? So now we have already done with the application and we just open the period and then do the one transaction. You are already aware of it. You can do that. Any questions? Fine, guys. That's it for the day. And I'm given the instance also to you. I will load this instance details also into the chat window. I would request you do the practice because we have time Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 3 days time we have it. Okay. Please do the practice and do the best. Okay. And Monday we will do the one more lab, same instance which we will do, and I will ask you to prepare the rapid implementation sheet and we'll do the lab on Monday and Tuesday. And then after I will just move on. There won't be any further labs from Wednesday. Wednesday onwards I will continue my regular process. Wednesday onwards actual process will start. Our training timelines, everything will start from Wednesday. Okay. Is that making
If
sense?
any
Okay.
if we face any issue, shall we message on our group?
Yes, yes. Take a screenshot and post it. Those who are
Okay.
already completed this activity, they will help you out. Or else, if no one is responding
Yeah.
to you within 45 minutes, you please
Yep.
retag it to us and we will respond back.
Yeah.
Our
Yeah.
team will come back. Okay.
Sure.
Definitely, that is the tat time which we mentioned, like 45 minutes. If someone is already aware of the activity, immediately he will respond back. If no one is responding, immediately tag to us. Immediately we'll come back.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
time and have a great weekend and happy
You too.
learning.
You too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye,
క్లాస్
guys.
లేదా సార్?
No. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.